Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm doing some flip-throughs of the new December launch sticker books. So this is the handwritten colorful boxes, and if you know me, I'm one, obsessed with colorful boxes, and two, obsessed with Kristen's handwriting, which is in these. So let's take a look. I haven't actually flipped through them, so I'm really excited to look through with you. Okay, so we've got, these are like breakfast, lunch, and dinner boxes. Ooh, meetings and appointment, volunteer, family time, start finish. These are really cool. Ooh, craft, plan. And I love the colors. Circles. So we've got email, chores, meet, movie night, reservations, call, and a bunch of just boxes. Those are really cool. Packing list, shopping list, buy, order. Appointments, birthday parties, birthday wedding. Oh, we don't have very many wedding things. Coffee date, payment due. These are so versatile and useful, and I'm loving the colors. Schedule, order, plan, some drop-offs, starts. Ooh, prescriptions, RXs. Those are really cool. Okay, and then we've got more. Okay, so then it's going to start over. And now these are like blues and purple colors. Really pretty. I love all the colors. So there's great, and there's weddings. These are so cool. Purples and kind of like, ooh, that's a really neat, like grayed plum color. So the colors are really pretty. And I mean, we've got our standard colors that we're used to seeing, but also some extra ones thrown in, which I think are really pretty. So, and I love all these warm colors. And see, like that's a different tone than we're used to seeing in the standard colorful boxes book. So it's a lot more variety of color in these. I love it. And then we've got our gold foil and everything's, ooh, and then we've got some pretty hollow foil. Check that out. Ooh, that wedding one in this foil is so pretty. Look at that. I hope it's coming out well so you can see. So some are regular silver and then some are the rainbow. So that is the handwritten colored boxes. Okay, next up is Caregiver. And I just love the colors on this one. So I'm excited to check it out. And this one would come in really handy for me this week as I'm taking care of my daughter after her surgery. Okay. So it's got some really cool, like motivational quotes. And honestly, these could be for anything. Like, one must from time to time attempt things that are beyond one's capacity. You are made of magic. You never get strength if you only do easy things. Wow, these are just really good motivational and pretty quotes. So these are just can be for anything. Let's see what's next. More of the really pretty quotes. And again, they're just motivational, positive. Oh, here's one from Dolly Parton. If you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. That's awesome. So these are really cool. Okay, oh, and then little Band-Aids with the little medical cross, which could be used for anything. You could do them for appointments or for, I mean, really, sky's the limit on those. And more. These are good for my heart appointments, or if you're tracking anything, like maybe you're tracking your blood pressure or something like that, you could use these. Oh, I love these. So this has pick up prescription, schedule tests, visit doctor, shower day. So honestly, like I could use a lot of these for just regular, doctor's appointments and picking up prescriptions and those sort of things. So you've got 2 sheets of those. These could be used to mark appointments. Daycare, grocery shopping, and meal prep. Again, most of these you could, heck, if you had kids, you could definitely use the daycare ones if you do like have your child in daycare or something. So there's a lot of different ways to use these, not just specifically for caregiver. Okay, and here's like reminders, don't forget. These are really pretty. And then we've got these, which you can use for anything as well. Like you could put in what it is and then when, where, to-dos, noted. And then these are just like morning stickers. Yeah, 6 to 11, 11 to 5. Oh, so like if you've got specific tasks during those times, that's really neat. Self-care, which is super important. We've got check boxes, little appointments. I just love the colors in this. Today I'm grateful for, on a positive note, today was a good day because, so this is all positive motivational type stickers. We've got a lot of those and to-dos and reminders. And these are what, when, where stickers that you can use for appointments for anything. These are great in your monthly, or if you're like me, I just still use them in my regular planner, but I put like, you could put a flag over that, or one of the round stickers, the appointment sticker, even layer one of these across it. I love to do that with those stickers. We've got more, and then just some boxes with some checklists and self-care. Reschedule stickers, more of the positivity. These are really great. Lots of good remembers and to-dos. To buy, to do, done. These are great. This week's love letter to myself, that's super cool. Today's positivity quote, I am enough, I'm growing, I'm limitless, I'm proud, I'm healing, I'm helpful. These are really neat. I just feel like this could be used by anyone. Kind of like, you know, those mom stickers, you don't have to be a mom to use. I mean, obviously there's some that are going to be very specific, but this book I really feel like can be used for anyone. Because there's so many different, you know, just like appointments and things that you can do. Positivity. These are really, and it's, if you are a caregiver and do need to track these things, these are perfect stickers for that. And here's one very specific. When you are a caregiver, you know that every day you will touch the life or a life that will touch yours. That's really pretty. So yeah, there is the Caregiver sticker book. I think it's really, really gorgeous and can be used for just about anyone. Okay, let's check out the fitness sticker book, Don't Give Up. I'm excited to look at this. This is something that I do want to focus a little more on for next year, so let's scope it out. All right, we've got some pretty motivational stickers here. Don't give up. Remember why you started. So these are all really great. Some meal prep stickers in the middle. More motivation and meal prep stickers. I love these full boxes. Those are really cool. It's slow. It's a slow process. Quitting won't speed it up. Oh, that's good. These are great reminders. Sometimes I need to put these in my planner so that they keep me kind of going. And this is Work It Out, with just a box that you can write things. Oh, it's got like a little heart rate monitor. So you could track your heart rate. You could do a lot of different things in this book. Cardio, blah, blah, go work out. That's really cool. And then progress, not perfection, which is so important for me to remember. Sometimes I get way too obsessed. Okay, so workouts. Those are great workout stickers. Those had foil and were clear, and these are the white ones on the white paper. Pretty black and white ones that you can do that are very versatile. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner stickers for tracking. This week at a glance, you could do your exercise, meal plans. Oh, these are really neat. I love all the colors too. So it's giving you like different varieties and colors. So walk stickers. And these are nice big stickers. Track, hike, run, weights, hit the gym, strength, eat well, yoga, steps. This is great. And it's got little lines. You can track your steps for the day. Hydrate. Oh, that's a reminder I definitely need. I forget to drink, you guys. It's terrible. Okay, these boxes are super pretty. And these are just, I mean, you can use those for anything. These might just be in my regular planner with some flowers. Oh, I love the colors. And they do coordinate with the ones in here. So they're, oh man, these are really pretty. Oh, and then these coordinate with those. Weekly habits. Super pretty. Ooh, and gold weekly habits. And then some motivational quotes. You're stronger than you think. Every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Ooh, that's awesome. Success is a series of small wins. And then we have some foil quotes. Really pretty. So this book is really cool. I love all the colors in it. It's just a different take on the fitness ones that we've seen in the past, so I really do like it.